Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable direct message previews in TikTok. If you value your privacy and want to prevent message content from being displayed in your notifications, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages Previews under the Messages category. Step 7. Disable the toggle switch next to Direct Messages Previews to prevent message content from appearing in your notifications. By following these steps, you can enhance your privacy and keep the content of your direct messages hidden from prying eyes. Disabling direct message previews ensures that the message content is not displayed in your notifications, providing an additional layer of privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more private and secure TikTok messaging experience.